guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making banana bread. In fact, we will be making two banana breads today, one classic version and one with chocolate chips. This recipe makes two breads, so if you are planning to make only one, then just simply cut the recipe in half. I promise, this will be the only banana bread recipe you will ever need, so let's get baking. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line the bottom of 2 loaf pans. In a medium mixing bowl, add in the 4 medium-ripe bananas and start to mash them by just using a fork. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 450 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of sugar, 80 grams of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until well combined. Form a well in the center of the flour mixture and add the mashed bananas, 110 grams of melted butter, 4 eggs, 240 milliliters of evaporated milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat this on medium-high speed just until combined. Do not overmix this, please. Since I'm going to make 2 different banana breads today, I'm first going to fill half of the mixture into the prepared loaf pan. Now we can add the 150 grams of chocolate chips into the other half of the mixture. Make sure to coat your chocolate chips with about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour first before adding them into the mixture. This will prevent them from sinking onto the bottom of the baking pan. Now we can fill the other prepared loaf pan with our chocolate chips mixture. So this step is optional, but I always love to add different kind of toppings onto my banana bread. For the plain version, I like to sprinkle sliced almonds on top. You don't have to flour your almonds since they are very light, but I would recommend you to definitely flour your chocolate chips before topping your banana bread with them, since they are too heavy for the light texture of this mixture. Bake your breads for about 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My banana breads are done baking. I baked mine for 48 minutes. Let them cool down for about 15 minutes before transferring them onto a cooling rack. Look at these perfect banana breads. Like I told you earlier, this will be the only recipe you will be needing from now on. This banana bread has a soft crumb and is super moist. You can adjust the flavors to your liking by adding walnuts, desiccated coconut, or a pinch of cinnamon. Whatever you choose to add in, it's really insanely delicious. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!